And for those that might recall, I was also doing a parallel test on Art to Shine's professional grade coatings. We had their graphene coating on the top left, their ceramic metal oxide coating on the top right, followed by their BioNano Pro sealant, as well as the graphene detailer on the bottom right. So just something to note, I just got done washing this for the first time in actually a couple months. A lot of the other coatings on my test panel behind me, they got really clogged quickly, and for me to actually see the hydrophobics, I had to go a step further and use like a water spot remover, mineral remover, chemical decon, a clay towel, and once I did that, it brought back a life to the coating. I didn't even have to do that with the ceramic metal oxide coating or the nanographene coating from Art to Shine. So just something to note. Interesting, impressive. We're going to do it just to see if it changes anything. We had our BioNano Pro. We had another graphene sealant down at the bottom. And you can see where it was just like, hey, don't forget about us. You just saw it right here. As we dry, a huge difference in gloss and shine. You can see our maintenance products are still there. Those are not meant to be long term. They're like a maintenance product that kind of transforms your beading or sheeting characteristics. It just kind of is a topper. So you can see huge difference, but our detailers are still there. The BioNano Pro and the graphene detailer. So I just want to point something out real quick. Out of our entire panel here, there's 2 products that are authorized installer only. That is our Owner's Pride ceramic coating and our Ceramic Pro Sport. You have to be an authorized detailer to gain access to those. Everything else you can purchase on a retail level or through the manufacturer, except for these 2 coatings right here. But do you see how well they perform? So I just want to kind of point out, there is value in products that are professional grade only. Do your tests. Try your products out first. I've learned that the hard way. But Art to Shine coatings, they're the real deal. Very, very impressed by these coatings. So just wanted to note that for those of you that maybe you are struggling on the fence between a retail product versus a professional grade only product. This is why a lot of people will go pro grade only, because you're going to get results like this that even if you're screwing it up, not maintaining it properly, it's still going to work. Over here, I feel like a lot of these are contingent upon maintenance being maintained properly. So, food for thought. Let me know, do you agree? Alright, we'll see you later, guys. Have a great day.